So on today's menu, we will be making Zuppa Toscana. Stick around and see how we make it and enjoy with us. Start off, you're gonna wash your kale first. This is the kale we're using. Quantity basis on you, how much you like on kale. And then you're gonna want to start with your bacon. Bacon, there's your potatoes on the side. For this dish, we're using 3 potatoes, and we're using some Johnson hot all natural sausage. So you want to cut the bacon into about, I don't know, like about 1 inch length, and then once you're done, we're gonna put that into the pan and then crisp them up for the soup. Finished product. Let's give it a taste. It's ready. Ooh, it's probably hot, huh?
It's really hot.
Probably not the best spoon for soup, but it works. This is some meatballs. Fish meatball we made yesterday. It's been cold lately, so having soup to warm up the body is the best. Gotta stay warm. The kale tastes awesome. And the potato is just perfect. Oh my gosh. It's freaking hot though.
Có cheese vào rồi quả con chưa?
cheese. Simple dish. Try it out, and then make it for yourself. Taste, flavor to taste, and then find your sweet spot. Enjoy it. Perfect for this cold season. Perfect to enjoy with a lot of people. See you next time.